Hi, I'm Allie.
And I'm Becky.
We are registered dietitians that are passionate about food as medicine.
In this video, we're going to be talking about what Allie eats in a day on our keto reset. But before we do that, let's talk about what a keto reset is.
Yes, so a keto reset is really resetting stubborn metabolism through a ketogenic diet. So with a keto reset, we're trying to bring carbohydrate levels down so that the body can deplete its glycogen or glucose storage in the body. And by doing so, we'll see lower levels of insulin demand. A lot of individuals have insulin resistance, even preceding an elevated A1C or a pre-diabetic diagnosis. And when insulin levels are elevated in the body, this literally puts a lock on your metabolic function. You can't tap into your body fat as fuel. In fact, the body with elevated insulin is going to store more fat. So the key to a keto reset is bring down your carbohydrates, allow the body to reduce its insulin demands, and then unlock that stubborn metabolism and use fat as fuel. When the liver is making ketones, it uses fat as its primary energy substrate instead of glucose from carbohydrates. And we can get that fat from the diet as well as from our own deep freezers or the reserves of body fat that we hold. So a keto reset is a great way to actually shift your metabolism to access fat as fuel and have dynamic body composition change. Because when you're making ketones, you can also have some reserves on your lean body mass and maintain optimal metabolic function.
Let's go ahead and just walk through a typical day. So how do we start our day?
So I like to do an intermittent fast and a fat-fueled fast at that. In fact, you can watch this video where we unpack 3 different forms of intermittent fasting and considerations. I would kick off my day with my favorite blended coffee that we do in this video here. So this is a 1.5 cups of organic coffee with a scoop of our pure collagen. This is going to support gut health as well as connective tissue like hair, skin, and nails, and start to get some protein online for my goals. I'm also going to add in grass-fed butter and coconut oil to that to get some MCTs to further enhance ketone production. And that'll hold me over. Giving that fat early in the morning tells the body fat is the preferred fuel source.
Okay, so that's how you get going for your morning. What comes next?
So next, I'm going to ensure I get at least 30 grams of protein. My favorite way to do this is with a keto green shake. So I'll use our super greens cube in here, some full fat coconut milk, about 1 inch of ginger. That's going to provide me a good amount of phytocompounds and antioxidants. Get that blended, and then I'm going to add in a 1.5 scoops of our Whey Protect to get those added immunoglobulins with amino acids and bring my protein above 30 grams. Another option for that time would be full fat cottage cheese with a drizzle of olive oil and flaky salt.
And then based on your calorie demands, which you would calculate, of course, in our 12-week keto reset program, you might be having on top of that a lunch a little bit later, or that could very well be your lunch.
Yes, so if I'm looking at just about 5 to 10 pounds of weight loss, I'm probably going to be on our steady and sustain protocol versus our keto fast track. A keto fast track would carry probably right on to a midday snack and dinner, but I'm going to push for a lunch that's protein packed. And so I'm going to do like our tuna sardine salad that we make in this video, or I might be doing leftovers from the dinner before. This could be like 2 pan-seared roasted chicken thighs and about a 1/2 cup of leftover roasted vegetables.
All right, and then an optional like 3 p.m. or so snack?
Yes, I find that it's helpful to have something salty and savory at that 3-4 o'clock. And so if I have a lower appetite, I'll sip on a mug of fond bone broth, which is going to give me further gut support and immune enhancement. But if I have an appetite and I'm looking for something salty crunchy, I lean into brisket chips. These are really fantastic. I used to kind of have to force pork rinds for something that has a protein high glycine benefit, but the brisket chips are smoked and savory and crunchy, salty, and really a pure hit of protein and quality fat. I follow that up with a evening meal. So real simple, about 4 to 6 ounces of protein, sometimes 5 to 7, depending on how my protein laid out for the day. This could be pan-seared wild salmon, or my favorite, a ribeye steak, with a side of roasted veggies. So in this example with steak, I'd probably go for some roasted Brussels sprouts and some bacon. Have an evening glass of my You Glow Girl tea with rooibos and hibiscus for an antioxidant boost, a little bit of melatonin support and cortisol regulation. and I am all set. I'm satiated. I'm hitting over 130 grams of protein in this day. My fat is at about 75 to 80 grams throughout this day, and I kept my carbs less than 30.
And without being restrictive
Right.
at all, right? That's a very abundant, beautifully laid out day.
Yes. So in our keto reset, we really apply real food approaches, and you're going to get boosted with antioxidants and food as medicine strategy. If you want to learn how to unlock your stubborn metabolism, stay tuned to the end of this video when we give you an exclusive offering.
And then you can absolutely keto with diet alone, but if you want to further enhance your benefits when you're doing our keto reset program, there are a couple supplements that you might consider. One being berberine boost. So this is a potent dose of plant-derived berberine that's actually going to work as an oral hypoglycemic, meaning that it's going to lower your blood sugar. I recommend consuming this 2 at lunch and 2 at dinner, especially for those who are maybe dancing on the fence of pre-diabetes or diabetes or looking to get more clinical weight loss outcomes. We've actually seen this compared in studies to metformin.
Another go-to is the amino acid L-carnitine. Carnitine actually directly supports mitochondrial production of ketones. So when we're looking to get that keto high, that anti-inflammatory boost, that satiety that helps us to break up with cravings and really accelerate our metabolic health, L-carnitine can help with your ketone production.
And then last but not least, I can't go a day without recommending Relax and Regulate. This is our formula that contains magnesium bisglycinate, which is going to aid in neuromuscular relaxation and that sense of calm at the end of the day. And it's also going to contain a potent dose of 4 grams of myo-inositol, which is going to support insulin resistance and lowering of blood sugar as well.
We've used this keto reset with thousands of successful patients, lowering prescriptive medication, seeing weight loss rates and more favorable body composition than we can see with those GLP-1 injectable drugs without the side effects, I would note. We have seen reduction of cravings, food freedom, and really individuals redefining their relationship with food. If you want to join in on our next keto reset, be sure to check out the unique savings code below, where you can save $50 off our live or archived keto reset class.
We can't wait for you to join us and experience food freedom in your body. If you like this video, go ahead, hit the like button, drop us a comment or a question below, and be sure that you're subscribed to the Naturally Nourished YouTube channel so you never miss one of our bi-weekly releases.
What I eat in a day of a keto reset.
Pasta in one. Sourdough.